The hill cutting issue in Goa has escalated dramatically in recent weeks, with controversial projects facing significant resistance from locals, environmentalists, and opposition parties. Two projects in particular have become flashpoints at this present moment in this ongoing debate: the Bhutani project in Sankoale and the DLF project at Reis Magos. As these issues unfold, the Town and Country Planning Department has found itself at the center of the storm. TCP Minister Vishwajit Rane has addressed the allegations by repeating that he is not involved, and everything was done before his time. But the TCP department he heads is the nodal agency to oversee development, including construction, cutting of hills in the state. But change of zone records say otherwise, allege civic society and activists. In his latest statement, Rane has asserted that the TCP department hasn't granted any permissions for hill cutting in 6 months. Furthermore, he stated that controversial projects, including the Bhutani project in Sankoal, received permissions from his predecessors. Despite Minister Rane's clarifications, a critical question remains unanswered. Will any action be taken against these controversial projects under his leadership of the TCP department? Are they illegal? Does Goa's infrastructure have carrying capacity for this? Do Goans want such development on their hills for arrogant outsiders?
I just want to make a mention that not a single permission of hill cutting has been given by our department in the last so many months. I said last time 6 months. काल कोण म्हणटले आयज एलिना सल्दान आयली माझे कडेन, तेजे भायर आमचो आंतोन वाज आयिल्लो माझे कडेन कांय विशय मांडपाक, तेंचे मतदारसंघांतले कितें विशय आसा. एक म्हणजे ह्यो एरिया सेटलमेंट केन्ना जाल्यो. हे एरिया सेटलमेंट जायत आहा फ्रॉम 2003, मागीर 2012, मागीर खंय तरी कितें जालां 2011. म्हणजे तुमकां बेश्टें सांगपाक ह्यो सगळे जे दोंगरार तुमकां कितें दिसता न्ही, हे सगळे हांव मंत्री जावपाचे पयलीं कन्वर्ट जावन जाल्ल्यो गोश्टी. म्हाजे संबंदीत विशय कांय ना, काय डिपार्टमेंटाचे संबंदीत विशय कांय ना. ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी त्या ODPच्या माध्यमांतल्यान जाल्ल्यो गोश्टी. आनी म्हणूनच डिपार्टमेंटाचो डायरेक्ट तसो इन्वॉल्वमेंट कांय ना, ते ODPच्या माध्यमांतल्यान जाल्ल्यो गोश्टी. भुतानीचो जो कितें विशय आसा ते हांवें सगळे कागदां मागून घेतल्या. म्हणजे मागून घेवन पळय मागीर आमी योग्य तरेन तेजेर वेगळे तरेन सगळें डॉक्युमेंटेशन सगळें कितें आहा ह्यो सगळे चर्चेक घेवपाक, कारण केल्लें कन्वर्जन 200 FSI ते केल्ले ते म्हाका दिसता की इट हॅज बीन डन वेर इन द ओल्ड ODP. दॅट टायम मिस्टर क्लिओफास वॉज द चेअरमॅन ऑफ दॅट कॉर्पोरेशन. म्हणजे नॉट नाव, इट्स डन इन द पास्ट. तेन्ना वास्को डिगामाची ODP केल्ली ते केले, ते तेन्ना तेणी केल्ले आसा. परमिशनां कितें दिवपाचें आहा ते तेन्ना दिल्या. मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की आमी ठरयलां की आमचे जे सेक्शन जे आसा फॉर हिल कटींग ते प्रोसेसूच करूं नाका म्हणून, जो पर्यंत नवीन गायडलायन येना. मंत्री आसूं म्हणून कितें जाय तशें हांव करूं शकना. हे दोनी प्रकल्प जे आहा हे दोनी प्रकल्पाचे सारके व्हेरीफाय करून तेंचे कडेन सगळे कायदेशीर आहा जाल्यार काय ना, कितें आहा, केन्ना ह्यो जाल्ली म्हणून हांवें हे सगळे ODP संबंधी सगळी माहिती काढून घेतली. की म्हाकाच खबर ना कितें कितें जालां ते केन्ना काय गोष्टी जाल्या, केन्ना कितें जालां, केन्ना हे परमिशन दिल्ल्यो. हे सगळे परमिशन परत एकदा तेजेर लक्ष घालपाचें हांवें ठरयल्लें आसा. आनी म्हणूनच हे दोनी प्रकल्प जे आहा हे दोनी प्रकल्पाचे जे कितें आहा कायदेशीर आहा जाल्यार कायदेशीर आहा. जे प्रपोजल जे आसा हेंचे कितें आहा ते व्हेरीफाय करपाक म्हणून हांवें टीम धाडल्या. चर्चेक इतलेंच आशिल्लें की हे दोन जे आसा प्रकल्प त्या प्रकल्पाचे म्हाका सारको विचार करपाक म्हणून आमी ऑलरेडी फायल्स मागयल्या आनी फायल्स व्हेरीफाय करतले बाबा परिस्थिती कितें आहा आनी तेजे नंतर तेजेर निर्णय घेवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. हांवें आंतोन वाजाक सांगलेलें की ते प्रकल्पाक हांव गणेश चतुर्थीची पयली बोर्ड मिटींग आपयतलो आनी तेजेर बोर्ड मिटींगेन चर्चेक घालून आमी ते योग्य तरेन आमी ते पावलां आमी घेतले. My say is that the problem is that you have to verify who has given permission or no, because unless they go to the panchayat has to give permission for you to start construction or any kind of activity, right? Yes. So basically the law under the 73rd amendment of the Panchayati Raj, without that permission of the panchayat you cannot start construction. So if anybody is starting construction, then the panchayat has the right to stop the work. And how difficult is it for a panchayat to withdraw the NOC? It is easy to blame anybody else, and as far as my department is concerned, we are not in violation at any point of time. As a result of which we are talking about further strengthening the department by ensuring that we have laws in place that are very strict so that we are able to put things in a full stop to everything. See, it's very easy for somebody from the other side to go and say that okay, X department has given a permission or Y department. I am telling you very categorically that in the last 6 months, not a single permission on hill cutting or any kind of such in violation, any permissions have been given.
Dylan Rodriguez, Manish Parab and Bhakti Pai Balgi for Goa 365.